How to allow friends to join your private server in Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To allow your friends to join your private server in Roblox, let's start off by launching our Roblox application or just search for roblox.com in a preferred browser. Now, to allow your friends to join a private server, click on the game that you want to play along with a friend. Scroll down to check out some of your private server. Tap on the service option. If you have not created a server, you can easily create one by tapping on Create Private Server. Once a server has been successfully created, in order to allow joining of your friends, you need to configure certain private server settings. In here, you will find the option called Friends Allowed. If it is disabled something like this, none of your friends will be able to join your private server. So what you actually have to do is tap on it to toggle it on. It should be toggled to the right hand side. By this way, all your friends would be allowed to join your private server in your Roblox. You can copy the server link that is present at the bottom and share along with your friends. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.